welcome back to this video series on the topic of percentage and playtime. In this lesson, we're going to have a look at how we can describe a portion of a whole amount as a percentage score. A percentage is a score that describes a portion relative to the whole amount. A percentage is out of 100. Consider 5.4 kilograms out of 12 kilograms is 45%. Another way of saying this is 5.4 kilograms is 45% of 12 kilograms. Let's have a look at how this calculation is done. Example A, we wish to calculate the following percentages from portions and wholes. 5.4 kilograms out of 12 kilograms. What percentage is 5.4 kilograms out of 12 kilograms? To do this calculation, we refer to our triangle over here. We have three quantities represented in this triangle. We have a portion, a percentage, and a whole. In this instance, we want to calculate the percentage. To do this, we're going to use the portion, and we're going to use the whole. The relationship here is that the percentage is going to be equal to the portion over the whole amount. Or in other words, the percentage is equal to the portion divided by the whole amount. Putting this in the language of mathematics, I'll start off by saying 5.4 kilograms divided by 12 kilograms. Completing this calculation will give me a decimal. To do this, I say up we come to the calculator and I key in the values 5.4 over 12 or 5.4 divided by 12. This gives 0.45. Now this is a decimal, I still need to convert it into a percentage. To do this, I simply multiply this by 100, thus giving me 45. And therefore showing that 5.4 kilograms out of 12 kilograms is 45%. So I've found the percentage that describes 5.4 to 12. Or another way to put it is we've found the percentage that describes the portion to the whole amount. Now you would have noticed I skipped this intermediate line here, this line being the conversion from decimal to percentage. By this stage in your learning journey, it's not necessary to show this step here if you're proficient from going from this step here immediately down to this step. Alright, next example, we have 5 people out of 31 people. We want to describe the portion of 5 people relative to the whole amount of 31 people. To do this, I start off by writing 5 people divided by 31 people. To calculate this, I bring up my calculator and I simply key in the values. 5 divided by 31. That gives me a decimal of 0.1612. Multiplying this by 100 to turn it into the percentage, I get 16.129. And rounding this to 2 decimal places, I'll get 16.13. So because this 9 here is greater than 5, it's going to turn this into a 3. So, thus showing that 5 people out of 31 people is 16.13%. So in summary, what we had to look at in this video was how we could describe a portion relative to a whole amount using a percentage. To do this, we simply get our portion, divide it by the whole amount, and then we convert that decimal into a percentage by multiplying it by 100%.